Lego guy coming at you. We are going to knock out the rest of bag 2. This was the stage I ended this morning. Okay, so let's finish this bag, and then that puts me at a good point for first thing tomorrow morning to get on with bag 3, and hopefully over the weekend get this finished. Then I want I need some ideas of where this is going to be donated to. Nobody judge me if I look sawdusty. I've been at work all day, and that is what pays the bills. You guys are, look who it is. Look who it is. Hello, Peggy. I'm gonna say hello to YouTube. Well, let's not knock that over. Hey, you're gonna say hello. You're gonna say hello. No, because you'll see. This is why curiosity killed the cat, isn't it? Hey, go on then, darling. You're gonna help. You're gonna help. I guess. Hey, good girl. Right, well, that goes in the middle of that one. What Peggy's doing. Here's another one of these. So there's not many pieces left of bag number 2. So I really do want to get this done, and yeah, get moving on. I also will need some ideas for the next build, and what people would like to see. If anyone would like to see anything in particular, a theme of some sort, you know, whether it be Lego City or, I don't know, Harry Potter, whatever you guys would like to see built, and then also given away. Built and donated. Every single piece. Nothing will be kept. Not by me anyway. Oh, Peggy's coming back. You're going to sit there, darling. You're going to be good. Yeah, good girl. You're a good girl. I say she's a good girl. She sometimes gets a bit eggy. Don't you, darling? Get a bit eggy. Hey, I'll feed you in a minute. You won't starve. Like I will starve. Right, let's not rush this again. I say again. I feel I was rushing it a bit this morning. From the looks of the instructions, you sort of build chunks of it and then it kind of goes on, rather than building on it and it expanding. Ooh, I think I'm doing the steering column. I think. You can see the steering wheel in the next picture. Right, okay, there's a lot of bits to that. Let's do one thing at a time. One thing at a time, people. I've got the little Bugatti badges. That goes in the steering wheel. Very fancy. That. That. Little blue thing. so many tiny, tiny, I mean, like, look, okay, that's 4 pieces there put together. 4. And it's not even, it's tiny, it's tiny. Oh, 1 second YouTube, the door's knocking. We're back. Had a package being delivered, not for me, nothing interesting. I don't think it's anything interesting. But what I've got to do now is I've got to work out how to put these 2 videos together. Never easy. Never easy. Well, I don't find it easy at all. I do not find it easy at all. Look at this. Steering wheel and a Bugatti badge. It goes in the steering wheel straight. And that goes up through there. And we have 1 steering column. Come on. What does it look like? It looks like a T with a cross. There it is. Nope, that's not it. Ah, is it grey? It's grey. Of course it's grey. I need to cut my hair. Looking a bit scruffy, aren't we? So that goes in there like that, and that holds that straight, I guess. Yeah, stops that turning round. Yeah. I hope the steering wheel turns the wheels. Is that asking too much? I think that might be asking too much. Right. Okay, we're looking symmetrical. Symmetrical. I'm glad that came out properly. I'm still not sure how many people are even going to get these videos, watch these videos, be interested in these videos. Right, okay, so set that to one side now. We need that piece. It'd be great if people are interested in it. I'm going to keep doing them. It's therapeutic putting this together, talking to a camera. Might sound weird, but it's very different to the hustle and bustle of my day. And again, I like building things, and it's going to be great to, it is going to be really good to sort of be able to donate this to somebody, and then they can enjoy playing with it, taking it apart, building it again, racing it round. Oh, stickers. Oh, where are the stickers? Oh no. These look like small stickers as well. Oh no. Right, sticker number 31. Crap. Which way does that go? That way. Oh my god, this is a very small sticker. I can't even get my hand close enough to it. I do realise video number 2 was quiet, and that is because it was early in the morning, girlfriend was asleep, and I was trying to be thoughtful. but I don't think it came out the best. So when I was up nice and early this morning, I made sure both doors were shut so I could talk. I mean, look at how ridiculously tiny that sticker is. I've got to get that on there without looking like Michael J. Fox has done it. Let's see how well that bit of humour went down. Oh, do you know what? That's pretty straight. Pretty straight. Yeah, we'll see how well that went down. Little joke. Can't get cancelled already, can I? Can't be cancelled for that. There's only humour. Oh no. Ooh. It's straight. It's not in the middle by a millimetre, but it's straight. Okay, that goes on there, and that is your little dashboard. Oh, do I want to show you how the stickers are? Pretty straight. Not bad. Right, this now gets mounted. Look at this. There. Right, we're on stage 128, everybody. 128. Lots more to go. Right, let's get through this bag. So I need two little L-shaped jobbies. Let's orientate these round. 4 blue. Blue, blue, blue. They go on there, facing outwards, I believe. Yeah. I wonder if there's, I've not spent any time at all looking at YouTube, thinking about what anybody else is building, because there's, I mean, hey, the whole of YouTube is saturated with everything of everything. And as I'm not an attractive female and can't just put my bottom online, I've got to do something else. But I've no idea how many people are doing this sort of thing, if lots of people are doing it. They probably are. And, you know, good. There's plenty of internet for everybody. But it'd still be good if everybody wants to have a watch and an input. Like I say, I will try and read comments as long as my comments are enabled. I've now got a video to put together because of the delivery man. Epoxy delivery man. Right, what we got there? One of these, one of these. There's a lot of these little sort of black cylindrical ones that are sort of, they just do join everything together. They don't sort of join everything together. They do join everything together. Oh, posture, people, posture. Oh, did you hear that? Hear that click? Posture, posture, posture. I don't want to get computer neck. Okay, that looks like that goes. Right, that can't be that bit then. Can it? No. Oh. Sorry everybody. I was being, oh, let's not say anything to get me cancelled yet. Jesus, I've already made a Michael J. Fox joke. Which is risky, especially nowadays. Everybody being very precious. Very precious. Faces sideways. Nope, not that bit. Excuse me, everybody. Sneezed. If you hadn't noticed, I'm going to try and make these videos just, I don't know, very raw. Very not you know, not too much editing, you know, nothing too fancy. And yes, that's probably because I don't know how to do any of that stuff yet. So that's why. That's why there's not going to be any crazy editing or fancy stuff going on. But in time, maybe. Maybe. Is there another one of those? Yes, there is. So I need another one of these. Do you know what though? Hungry after a busy day at work. Oh, I don't seem to have much battery on the camera because I didn't charge it today. I don't know why I needed to sing that, but I feel I did. Ooh, fancy piece with cogs and all sorts. So those. It's very satisfying how everything sort of clicks in. It does a really satisfying little pop and just very nicely goes into place. Very nicely. See, click. Click. Okay. Camera battery's running out. People, I'm going to get it on charge and I will be back. Don't go anywhere. Not that there's that many people to go, but bear with me. I'm going to try and put these videos together. Bye bye for now.